An affirmative defense defeats or reduces an otherwise legitimate criminal charge. State v. White compares and contrasts two specific affirmative defenses that reduce murder to manslaughter. Brenda and Jon White had a rocky marriage. Brenda felt anxious and angry during the marriage because she suspected that Jon was addicted to pornography and having an affair. The couple eventually divorced. Jon subsequently refused to pay child support and canceled Brenda's health insurance. As a result, Brenda struggled financially and worked longer hours. She tried to alleviate her financial issues by refinancing the Whites' marital home, but she needed Jon's cooperation and signature. So she went to Jon's office to discuss the refinancing. They argued because Jon was reluctant to cooperate. Brenda became frustrated and drove away. She returned 4 hours later and saw Jon talking on a cell phone that he had denied owning during their marriage. Brenda chased Jon with her car, but he escaped into the office building. She then drove into the building and struck Jon twice. The state of Utah charged her with attempted murder. Before trial, Brenda moved for the judge to provide a jury instruction on the extreme emotional distress defense. She argued that when she saw Jon's cell phone, the stress and emotion accumulated throughout their relationship overcame her and made her lose control. The trial court denied Brenda's motion, and she filed an interlocutory appeal. The Court of Appeals held that the extreme emotional distress defense requires a loss of self-control resulting from a highly provocative and contemporaneous triggering event. It concluded that seeing Jon's cell phone wasn't sufficiently provocative, and Brenda's other prior stressors didn't occur contemporaneously to her loss of control. Thus, the Court of Appeals affirmed the trial court's judgment, and Brenda appealed to the Utah Supreme Court.